welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad you can make it with me here today in this glorious whatever day it is. I'm not actually that sure what day it is. It's, well, week 3 of quarantine for me, lockdown, isolation, whatever you want to call it, and it only took me about that long to do something productive, apart from starting this channel again. But you know, I don't know what that is, but I'm trying to fly away from all my problems. Hello, this is voiceover Ashlyn letting you know that the rest of this intro does not make any sense, so you are now in my capable hands. It's not just lockdown that has made me want to declutter, I also declutter at the changing of the seasons. As you can see from my underbed storage, I'm pulling out things from last summer / like spring and sorting through what I don't like anymore, what doesn't fit me that well anymore. And I can kind of judge that by eye usually. In the words of Marie Kondo, stuff that does not bring me joy anymore gets put in the bin, well, the donate bag. So this is what that is. I'm really grateful for underbed storage. It's really convenient because you can just sort of lock clothes away and it's a nice surprise when you bring them back out the next year, like, oh, I forgot I had that. It's almost like buying clothes, almost. Here is me pulling a face because I don't like the state of this drawer. It's so weird looking at your clothes in a big pile like that. It just makes me very aware of how not afraid I am of patterns and colours. It's interesting though, because I think my actual style that I wear is very different than the style that's in my head. This drawer is full of one pieces and clothes I would wear to work out. So clothes that I don't really expect people to see me in. Well, currently no one's seeing me in anything from the waist down because of lockdown. I am only communicating through the means of Zoom. Celebrating a small thing there with a little dance. Putting the flannels away and bringing out the little nighties to sleep in because hopefully it'll get warm soon. But yeah, that's my pyjama drawer. That drawer, I have no idea what it was, but now it is tops like that I can just pair with shorts, jeans. I mostly wear crop tops, I've found through looking at this, and I'm hoping to get some more t-shirts. I just think it'd be nice to mix things up a little bit. But yeah, I'm really proud of that shop, by the way. Very artistic. Did you notice I said week 3 in the beginning of this video? And if you look at your calendars right now, it is like currently week 10 or 11 of lockdown, and we're looking at reducing measures and like coming out of it. So yeah, that just shows you what my mental health has been like throughout the past couple of months. Motivation's been low, procrastination's been high. What can I say? And if you've been feeling that way, please know that you're not alone. I'm exactly in the same boat as you. Fun fact, that green overshirt I got from a vintage fair, and I don't wear it because my mum says she thinks about Paddy from Emmerdale whenever I wear it, and I'll just insert a picture for you so you know what that looks like. Thanks, Mum. I have a 5 drawer chest of drawers, so I try and split it up into like underwear, then pyjamas, then tops, bottoms, and like a miscellaneous in the bottom of the drawer set. Hopefully you can see that there. Now you can see that I'm putting all of the inappropriately warm clothes back under my bed to never be seen until next year, when hopefully times will be very different by then, and I'll actually be able to see people and not be stuck in my room all day. I think I thought that was supposed to be funny, so that's what that was. This is the wardrobe, so where I have all my overshirts, jumpers and like dressy dresses for clubbing and stuff. Do you remember clubbing? Do you remember that was a thing? And yeah, so I'm just doubling up some things on there and then putting stuff that is really inappropriate for this season under the bed, out of sight, out of mind. This is it really, this is the end of the video, so I'm going to hand you back over to past Ashlyn in the studio for the conclusion. So that was all of the decluttering footage. Thank you for joining me today in this video. I hope you enjoyed the more like lo-fi vibe with this video. I think it's important to relax if you at all possible during this crazy time. If you'd like to see more videos like that, let me know, because there's definitely more decluttering to do. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again sometime soon. Bye!